Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please like, share and subscribe. If you're returning, subscribe and most every welcome. So Chidima has officially withdrawn herself from the Miss South African competition, and she has released a statement saying, I would like to start off by thanking everyone who has stood beside me right from the start of my Miss South Africa journey. I'm really grateful for all the love and support I've been shown. Being part of the Miss South Africa 2024 competition has been an amazing journey. However, much careful consideration, I've made the difficult decision to withdraw myself from the competition for the safety and well-being of my family and I. With the support of the Miss South African organization, I live with a heart full of gratitude for this amazing experience. I would like to take this opportunity to wish my fellow finalists all the best for the remainder of the competition. However, whoever wears the crown represents us all. Despite everything that is happening, I think it's so painful. It's very painful for her to do all this, because it's like quarter to. Imagine the money that she was supposed to have and all that. Probably she had that hope of winning or becoming first or second or so. I don't know the hopes that she had, but unfortunately for her, it's the end of the road. I don't know what you guys think about this statement, but I think I saw some clip saying there was this group that went to look where Miss South Africa, like the offices. I think previously they had some offices somewhere and they vacate from that premises. They are somewhere else, and they are saying it's and they're saying it's a private organization. It's not controlled by the government or anything. It's not under any ministry. And I was shocked, how can such a big entity be not controlled by anything? Where are they getting the funds to run Miss South African stuff? So they're saying there's something dodgy about this pageant, and they also need to be investigated on how they are running all these things. And also you might find out that she's not the first one to compete. You might find out that the people that competed previously, they are also non-South Africans. Let me know what you guys think about this decision, and all the best to her. I just wish her well, whatever is going to happen, and probably it's going to be a long year for them. Lawsuits and stuff and investigations from home affairs and a lot of things. Thank you guys for watching. Those who haven't subscribed, please make sure that you're subscribed.